Hi everyone, Jason at the Makera booth, Open Source 2025, and I'm joined now by one of the feature creators this year, Joel from Intexa, and I am joined by James Hobson, aka the Hacksmith, another creator, maker, and also Carvera air user, John. And this time, I'm not only with a creator, but a familiar face, Scotty from Strange Parts.
I'm Stefan from the YouTube channel called CNC Kitchen.
And I'm joined by another creator, maker, Josh, who actually has one of our Carvera air.
I'm Brian with the Smuggler's Room.
So I'm super excited because I just received the Carvera Air. It's my first CNC machine ever. And I'm more excited about using the material. It's like wood and aluminum.
That's awesome.
Coming from the 3D printing world, I think it'll be so much fun to kind of merge the two worlds together.
Yeah, for sure.
Really excited about that. I recently started using CNC machining because, you know, making organizations with plastic, not such a great idea.
If you're going to laser cut it, it's probably 2D. But if you're using like the CNC, then you're going to want a three-dimensional object that you can bring in. So
one of the CNC project I'm currently in the planning is to do a really nice topology optimized X-Gantry for my Rhetoric 3D printer, and trying to optimize it as much as possible and then just use a square aluminum extrusion and machine it out, because like in that case, additive manufacturing is probably not the perfect technology for that.
Yeah, sure.
Having, for example, a CNC at your disposal where you can machine holes at the location where material is needed is a really nice process.
And I've literally been collecting all the manufacturing technologies like Infinity Stones. And I make Carvera was one of those last pulses that taught me to do CNC.
Sure.
And it's enabled me to get into CNC.
I've got the Carvera Air, and having a great success with it. This one fits in my shop the best. I've got desktop lathes, 3D printers, TIG welders, regular hand tools, and it really helped expand my ability to dive into some projects. That's awesome. I'm a big Makera fan, but I think the Makera factory is probably really different now, what I saw and looked at the video, but it has a little bit of a different vibe than other Chinese factories. It's a little bit more like Makera-esque. It's a little bit more startup. It's a really interesting factory to see how it's all made. The company's built by makers for makers. Yeah. Yes, that is our tagline, but also it is. It's legit. There's still a little bit of a different DNA to it.
Yeah. This was made on the Carvera, and it's a aluminum version of the Smith blade. The fact that the Carvera was able to make this gives me a lot of confidence in the machine, because this requires pretty good tolerances to air. I have the aluminum one. This is the titanium one that we're going to be selling. Awesome stuff. And I've been very happy with the Carvera.
That's awesome.